So welcome to another GRAPE video. This one's going to be kind of short and sweet, hopefully, but it's about this little generator here. It's a Honda EX1000A, I believe. It was my father-in-law's, and he quit going camping, and he had it for his camper. So I took it home, and I've had it for a couple weeks probably. I just haven't messed with it yet, and today's October 23rd, 2025, and I just started messing with it. I got it all cleaned up a couple days ago, but I didn't try to start it or nothing, but today I tried to get it started. So we'll have to see what happens when I get the video going. But that's what this video is about. Little bitty generator, not much. I don't know if he's going to want it back or not, but it's I don't think he can start it, so I don't think he'll want it back. So I'll probably wind up selling it or giving it to somebody. I don't think I need it, so I got a big one. Anywho, let's get to the video. Got it running. Got bad gas in it or something. Choke. But it's running. Alright, I got this thing. I took this thing off and cleaned it and lubed it up. I don't think it'll run. But we'll try it. Alright, got the little bugger running. I'll put the covers back on it. Forgot what I did with those dang screws. I don't know what I did with the screws now. Are you freaking kidding me? Found it. It was over by the vet.
I imagine it wasn't worth 20 or 20,000. What you said was it wasn't worth letting him go, not for 20 bucks. And that means I was trying to raise the ante with Monroe right there. Now listen to me, both of you. You're police officers. It's Lieutenant Monroe. I got him twice.
Alright. I'll put the air cleaner back on.
I'm on duty. Things are tough all over, huh? Yeah. You know what? I think things are going to be a lot tougher. I'm sure we can work something out.
There we go.
Name's Ben. Nice to meet you, Ben. Officer Terry Webster.
The large screen, great for video chatting or browsing the internet. Both have the urgent response button for help in an emergency 24/7. So whichever phone you choose, it's a win. Now save up to 60% of
It is not hooked up. I'm one of those people that thinks, why do you do things once and get it perfect the first time when you can do it twice and hopefully get it right the second time?
Or the other. But there is another choice. Not stopping until you have everything in the GMC Sierra.
That feels better.
Or current eligible GMC owners get
It feels better.
with the total value of 4S. Get 5.9% APR on 2025 GMC Sierra heavy-duty models.
Now,
Over 4,000 average price.
here we are. We are hooked up. We are hooked up. Should we see if it'll start with everything hooked up?
Matlock is all new. Central and streaming on Paramount
Gotta turn it on, I guess, don't we?
Isn't gonna take.
Needs choke, that's for sure. I'm happy. I'll be back tomorrow and see if we can't start it again. So that'll do it for that little puppy, huh? I gotta drain the gas tank out and clean the carb out a little bit, but I think it's gonna be okay. That shouldn't be too difficult. So I will be taking it apart again, but at least we know it runs. That's the best part of it. So I will be back later on. Probably tomorrow, won't be today. Those starting fluids does wonders, huh? Yeah, I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. I think Jim will be happy too. I don't think he wants it, but if he does, I don't think he can pull start it anyway, if he wanted to. But anyway, we are gonna go back in the house, get cleaned up, and I'm sure I'm gonna have to go over to my in-laws and put their fireplace together. So I'm pretty sure I'm done here for the day. Got a lot done. Well, not a lot done, a little bit done. Wheels fit the trailer. Lug nuts I gotta get. Generator runs. Got my 220 put in. Got the house plug in for the generator done. Generator runs actually, so yeah, I think we're gonna be done for the day. It's only 2:30. Time to go in the house and relax for a little bit.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
See if we can get this thing running, huh? It was running earlier. Good pull. I'm gonna let it run for a while and see if it stays running. Gotta burn some gas to it. It's been running about a half an hour now, and it's kind of surging a little bit. Definitely doesn't like the carburetor. Take that carburetor off and clean it up. Doesn't look that difficult, but gotta be done, I think. I'll let it run for another half hour and see how it happens. See how it goes. See how it goes. Burn the cobs out of it, I guess. I wish I could run the throttle up a little higher, but carburetor birdie in there. It's gotta be. Shut it off. I ain't gonna run it no more. I'll shut it off and we'll take the carb off and we'll go from there tomorrow. We'll take the carb off tomorrow and clean it up and see if it can't run any better. For now, it's going back in the garage. All right, we are on October 26th. I got a new carburetor for this thing. Hopefully it'll run without the choke. This thing needs a lot of choke to keep running, so there's got to be something wrong with it. So I'll be back when I get this sucker changed, and we'll see if what happens. Alright, we got the carburetor on there. Got the choke on. We'll see if it runs. I don't have much high hopes for it, but we'll see what happens, huh? I don't like this recoil thing. Never liked it. I've seen other people online have trouble with it too. I hate this thing. I think I'd rather go by the meter than that little vibrator thing. I think it's all that good. I think we got a good fix on her. There we go. Works good, huh? I'm happy with it now. We'll shut her off. Yep, we got a good fix on her. I am happy camper now. So that's going to do it for this video. So as always, stay safe and stay grape. All right, welcome to another day. It's November 4th, 2025. Beautiful day today. It's really not that cold out. It's like 40 something, 49, almost 50 degrees. But I think I figured out this pull cord on this generator. This is a bonus scene, by the way, for this video. I got some filters for the truck and the mower. But anyway, we're here in the garage and we're going to work on this generator again. Like I said, I think I figured out this pull cord so I can tighten it up a little bit. I did a little research on it and it looks pretty easy to do. So I'll be back when I get the mechanism off of the generator and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Now, what they said was to pull this thing all the way out. Whoops, sorry. Excuse me. And do this. Then we've got to turn this thing like this. Gotta go counterclockwise. There we go. I think that's about all she's gonna write anyway. I think we got her this time. All right, I like that. I I think that's gonna work. Let's give it a shot, shall we? I'm just gonna go ahead and put the cover back on because I don't think there's anything else I can do with it. Alright, so we see if it'll start. Let's see if it'll start. There's that, there's the choke. No, that didn't help at all, did it? Well, that's going to do it for that. Is it better? I don't know. Might not be. But I tried. And that's all a guy can do. So as always, that's going to do it for this video. Stay grape. And God bless. Y'all take care.